In manufacturing, productivity often drives decision-making. But when it comes to machine safety, taking shortcuts can have devastating consequences. According to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, inadequate machine guarding is a leading cause of serious injuries, including amputations and fatalities. For safety managers, compliance isn't just a legal obligation, it's a matter of life and death. This guide provides a comprehensive roadmap to machine guarding compliance under OSHA standards, while offering real-world best practices and actionable strategies for reducing risk in your facility. Every year, thousands of manufacturing workers suffer injuries due to unguarded or poorly guarded machines. These injuries are not just statistics, they represent real people whose lives and livelihoods are impacted. Common risks of poor guarding include missing or bypassed guards, inadequate lockout-tagout LOTO procedures, lack of interlocks and emergency stops, and improper installation of safeguarding devices. When safety is treated like a gamble, the odds are never in your favor. Understanding OSHA's legal requirements is foundational for any compliance strategy. OSHA 29, CFR 1910. Subpart O includes 1910 TODU 12. General requirements for all machines. 1910 2113. Woodworking machinery. 1910 217. Mechanical power presses. And 1910 219. Mechanical power transmission apparatus. Additional OSHA standards include 1910 147. Lockout, tagout, LOTO, and 1910 333. Electrical work practices. These regulations require employers to protect operators from hazards at the point of operation and other machine areas. While OSHA sets the minimum legal requirements, ANSI provides industry-driven best practices. ANSI standards you should know include the ANSI B11 series, General Machinery Safety, ANSI B11.19, Performance Criteria for Safeguarding, ANSI Z244.1, Control of Hazardous Energy, LOTO, ANSI Z535, Safety Signs and Color Coding, and ANSI RIA R15.06, Safety of Industrial Robots. Adopting these standards helps facilities exceed minimum compliance and create a safer workplace. These common pitfalls frequently result in OSHA citations and injuries: unprotected points of operation, missing guards on rotating parts, failure to replace guards after maintenance, improper conveyor guarding, and inadequate training on guarding protocols. Avoiding these issues requires vigilance, proper planning, and thorough training. A formal risk assessment is the cornerstone of any machine safety program. Risk assessment best practices include using ANSI B11.0 or ISO 12100 frameworks, identifying all hazardous machine components, documenting findings with photos and hazard levels, involving maintenance, operations, and engineering teams, reassessing after any equipment changes or incidents, and considering hiring third-party safety experts for unbiased assessments. Different hazards require different types of guarding. Fixed guards are ideal for high-risk zones with consistent operations. Interlocked guards shut down equipment when accessed. Adjustable guards are suitable for multi-purpose machines. Self-adjusting guards respond dynamically to work material, and presence sensing devices include light curtains, laser scanners, and mats for advanced systems. Each guard type should be evaluated for the specific application and risk level. LOTO is critical for safely servicing machines and must be fully integrated with machine guarding systems. To ensure LOTO compliance, use OSHA FAIR-V 1910-147 as your guide. Develop LOTO plans specific to each machine. Train all employees, especially maintenance crews. Audit your LOTO process regularly, and include LOTO verification during equipment commissioning. Even the best guarding system fails without proper training. Training tips include conducting hands-on machine-specific safety training, including topics on guard purpose, safe operating procedures, and emergency stops, hosting regular refresher courses and toolbox talks, and documenting all training sessions for OSHA records. Administrative controls like signage, SOPs, and color-coded guards enhance your physical safeguards. Neglecting maintenance can lead to guard failure or OSHA violations. Must-have maintenance practices include creating an inspection checklist for all machine guards, tracking maintenance and revalidation of guards, re-inspecting machines after any repairs or modifications, and documenting changes to safety systems. Good documentation protects your team and your company during audits and inspections. Many new machines come with only baseline safety features, leaving safety managers to close the gaps. What you can do includes requesting full safety documentation before purchase, performing post-installation risk assessments, modifying or retrofitting guards to meet your specific application, and keeping records of all guarding enhancements. Don't assume new means safe. Use OSHA's Table O10 guard opening scale and a gotcha stick to verify guard spacing. Test openings based on distance to the hazard, prevent reach-through hazards, use during audits or operator training, and ensure compliance with Ferraro 1910 22A1. This low-cost tool offers high-impact results for any safety walkthrough. Machine guarding isn't just about avoiding fines, it's about protecting people. To build a proactive safety culture, encourage near-miss reporting, reward safety suggestions and improvements, empower teams to pause unsafe operations, and make safety part of performance reviews. When safety becomes a shared responsibility, compliance becomes second nature. If cited by OSHA, take these steps. Understand the citation and timeline. Post the notice near the violation. Correct the issue immediately. Document all abatement efforts. Request an informal conference if needed. Conduct a facility-wide guarding audit and implement training and policy improvements. Use the citation as a catalyst for real change, not just correction. Machine guarding is not optional, and it's certainly not a gamble. As a safety manager, you hold the keys to creating a safer, more compliant, and more productive workplace. By following OSHA and ANSI guidelines, performing regular risk assessments, and investing in training and maintenance, you can build a facility where workers thrive and accidents are avoided. Our team at PowerSafe Automation offers turnkey machine guarding solutions, risk assessments, and compliance audits tailored to your equipment and industry. Contact us to discuss performing a machine guarding assessment.